Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam startup error, black screen on startup. So here's what you're gonna do. First, you want to go to search, type in settings. Once in here, you want to go to Windows Update and make sure that you have the latest update. If there's available, you simply click download and install. If there's none, you want to click here, check for updates. And after you're done with that, you want to go to system, go to display, scroll down till you find graphics. Now scroll down till you find here Hell Let Loose. You want to expand it and switch it to high performance. It'll be on Let Windows Decide. You want to switch it to high performance, and now you can exit out of this. After you've done that, the next thing you want to do is go to your library, find your game, right click on it, go to properties, go to install files, and you want to click verify integrity of the game files. And after you verify your game, the next thing you want to do is click here browse, which will open your game location. You want to right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that you tick run this program in compatibility and select Windows 8, and then click disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin, and then click apply. Okay, exit out of this. Now you want to update your drivers. I have the NVIDIA app. If you have AMD, it's the same. You simply open it and go to drivers and then download the latest driver. While it's downloading, go to system, disable the G-Sync if you have it on. Simply click off and then apply. And then go to settings and disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. And after you're done with installing it, restart your PC and the game should work properly. The next thing you want to do is open a new Chrome tab and type Visual C++. I can't type, but it does it better. Click the first link and scroll down a bit till you find here latest supported version. Click first on the x64 and download it, and then open it, and then simply go through the process to install it. I already have the latest version. You simply click here install and then install the latest version. And after you're done with that, you want to do the same with x86. So download it, open it, and then install it. And after it's done with the wizard, you want to close this out and restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. After you're done with all of that and you restart your PC and the game still doesn't work, what you can do is right click on the game, go to properties, go to installed files, and you can move your install folder from local disk D to your local disk C where your Windows is installed, since it's like more stable and it should work properly. And after you move your game to local disk C, restart your PC one more time and then relaunch the game and it should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam black screen on startup. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.